This is the Boomerang, a great plane because of the number of flight paths available. It'll circle back to your right, circle back left, do a single loop, and outdoors it'll actually do a double loop flight pattern. So it's a great indoor-outdoor stunt plane. We'll start by folding the page in half. Now we'll make a pinch fold on the creased side. And now we'll find the 1/4 mark of the creased side, making another pinch fold. Now we'll fold from that last pinch mark to this raw corner, moving both layers over. Now we'll unfold that crease, and now we'll squash the pocket flat. Now we'll flip the model over. Now we'll fold just half of the squashed fold pocket to this side. We're actually following an existing crease. Now we're going to bring this corner right down to the corner of the pocket here. Leave just a little bit of room on the bottom, maybe a 1/16 of an inch. You don't have to measure this. Just leave a little bit of space at the bottom between the point of this corner and the point of the pocket. Now we're going to create a crease that's parallel with this pocket right here. We're going to actually put this corner in the pocket, so we're making a crease in preparation for doing that. The layers are going to warp on you, but don't worry about that. We'll get them squashed flat in a minute. Now you'll see some more warping of the paper as we lift this corner and bend it into the pocket carefully. Stuff it all the way in there so it's right down on the bottom. Squash all the layers flat, creating 2 new creases. Now we'll flip the model over and repeat the whole process of getting this corner into the pocket. Now we're going to fold this flap up using these 2 corners as the limits. And we'll flip the model over and do the same thing for the other side. Now we'll open the whole model up along the fuselage crease, and we'll have to squash these layers flat. And now we'll bend the point of the nose down toward the rear using these 2 layers as guides. Now we'll make a fuselage fold once again. Now we'll make a wing crease parallel with the fuselage fold. It's about 1 inch thick. And we'll flip the model over and do the same thing for the other side. Now all we need to do is make some winglets. These winglets are a bit taller than the average winglet. I'd say they're a little more than 1 inch tall. And of course we'll repeat the winglet procedure for the other side. You may want to add a bit of up elevator for tighter circles. You can also add taller winglets, and that will cause the plane to circle tighter as well. The plane has a tendency to droop open and have actually negative dihedral in flight. That's okay. It flies just fine that way. In fact, you can actually have a bit of negative dihedral as it sits there in your hand.